Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change location on Roblox. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Go to the More tab at the bottom. Scroll down, search for the Settings option, and tap on it. In Settings, tap on the account info located at the top. In your account info, you will see the account location option. Tap on it and choose your country from the pop-up list. You can set the location by using the Set Location button. Go back to the More tab and select the Help and Safety button. Select the Help option and you will be directed to the Help Center. You can get help from the team about the problems. Search for the change location and scroll down. Tap on the account location option at the top. At the end, tap on the Need More Help option. A form will appear on the screen and enter your contact information. In the Issue Details section, select the device in which the problem occurs. Tap on Type of Help category and select the type. Enter the description to change your location and then submit. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.